you have bought the VLR, you know how to get it to remove the vinyl, but what do you do after the vinyl is off? Do you need to wash it or can you just reuse the shirt right away? Welcome to Hank's Maker Mentor. My name is Ruth. Let's go ahead and jump in. I'm going to use VLR on both of them, and then on one of them, I'm going to apply a vinyl design right away. The other one I'm going to wash before the same design gets applied. I'm going to use the pressing pillow and preheat the shirt, especially because I'm sure there's still some residual moisture from the VLR. That came off beautifully, just like normal. I'm going to give it time to set. I'm also going to apply the design on the other one after it gets washed today. And then I'm going to run both of them through the exact same wash cycles and see what happens. These shirts have now been through a few washes. They've been dried in the dryer, which is not what I normally do to preserve them, but I wanted to really test them out. And I wanted to see if where you put the vinyl over where you had VLR wears faster than the other vinyl. I don't see any difference. Some of these sections were put on areas that had the design. Some were put on areas that did not have the design or the VLR. Some just had VLR. They all are sticking the same. For these two where I tested whether or not it made a difference if you washed it before you reapplied vinyl, let's take a look and see. On this shirt that originally started out white, the green vinyl that was on it spread color that didn't end up washing off. But regarding everything else, they're sticking the same. So as long as you don't have color that you're trying to get rid of, you can preheat your shirt and press it right away with your new vinyl. You don't need to wash it first. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel before clicking on the Rafflecopter link in the description below and entering for the giveaway to celebrate my 1-year YouTube anniversary. Until next time, bye.